Hey guys, Young Guns Hunter here, and today it's release day for 2020's 21 Series 1. Let's get right into it. So, let's pull out the packs. McDavid's on the cover of the box this year. This is going to be a fun rip. I look forward to this all day. And here we go. I have my packs all laid out. And let's start with the top right corner. Pack number 1. These are the base cards. Interesting design. It's alright. So got Jared Spurgeon. Oh wow, they're already sticking. Charlie Coyle. Connor Murphy. Nick Suzuki. Second year card. We got a Young Guns of Kirill Ustimenko. Nice. Rasmus Dahlin, Drew Doughty, Noah Hannafin. Next pack up. Ivan Provorov. What is this? Rasmus Ristolainen. Noel Achari. We got a UD Portraits rookies of Josh Norris. Interesting design for the portraits. That's cool. Carter Hart. Christian Dvorak. J.G. Pajot. Nikita Zaitsev. I'm just going to blast through this stuff. Trying to make this not too long of a video for you guys. So we got Kevin Hayes, Connor McDavid. That's a cool picture. Philip Deneau. A lot of these cards are sticking. It's brand new. Not into that. Oh my. Simeon Varlamov. And we got a debut dates of Adam Fox. And the rest base. Next pack up. Rocco Grimaldi, Zach Werenski, Elias Lindholm, PK Subban, UD Canvas of Zach Werenski. Nothing amazing yet. Hope so far, at least in this first corner. Dylan Larkin, Samuel Girard, Zach Hyman, Oli Ulevi, Young Guns. That's not bad. That's good for the PC. Canucks fan. Kirby Doc, second year card. Will Butcher, Demko, Dan Heinen. Next pack up. Hopefully we get something decent. John Klingberg, Dmitry Orlov, Braden Shen, Colton Parayko. Got a Josh Manson, Zach What? Madison, Zach Sanford, Blake Wheeler. Base pack? No, can't be. Nope. Oh. Nope. I guess that was a base pack. That's unfortunate. Wow. Next pack up. Brock Nelson. Colin White. Looks like we got Young Guns. Nick Dowd. Connor McMichael. Young Guns. That's not bad. Good prospect for the Capitals. And just base. So we got 3 Young Guns so far. We have 3 left. Hopefully we get some cool exclusive stuff. Jeff Carter. Dylan Dubé. Sean Couturier. Jacob Chychrun. Yudi Porches with Logan Couture. Russ base. Next pack up. Nylander. Yandel. Alec Martinez. Who is that? Connor Garland. UD Canvas, Chris Letang. And base. Next pack up. So far, it's been very meh. So Connor McMichael's probably our best hit. Philip Zadina. Teuvo Teravainen. That's an interesting insert. Just UC Saros base card. NHL Worldwide, Nikita Kucherov. That's a cool insert. Just base. Next pack. John Tavares. John Gibson. We got a NHL Worldwide. It's a pretty thick card of Austin Matthews. That's a really cool insert. I don't know how rare these are, but that's a cool card. That's going to go to the Matthews PC. I like that. And more base. Halfway through the box. Phil Kessel. Thomas Hertl. Ryan Ellis. Oh, I hate how sticky these are. Tuukka Rask. Predominant of Sidney Crosby. It's a cool insert. Mitch Marner, Landeskog. More base. Next pack. Checklist. Tyler Myers. Kevin Fiala. NHL Worldwide of getting Malkin. Looks like I'm getting a lot of Russians. Mikko Koskinen and base. Let's go stick with the same row column. Chris Letang, Matthew Tkachuk, Nick Foligno, and we got a Johnny Gaudreau Dazzlers. Interesting insert. More base. Brock Nelson, Tavares, John Gibson, David Perron, predominant of Sebastian Aho, Anders Lee, and just base. Mark Scheifele, Van Kane, Gorshas Durkin, John Moore, UD Portraits of Cale Makar. That's a nice picture. Let's go. So far, this has been pretty uneventful. Tuck, Hedman, Philip Broberg, Young Guns. That's not bad. You know, Pionk, Eberle, Carlson, Roenick. Last pack on the bottom right side. Bobby Ryan, McKinnon, Vlasic, Patrice Bergeron, UD Canvas, Tyler Seguin. Space. Matt Zuccarello, Darnell Nurse, Alex Kerfoot, UD Portraits of Pierre-Luc Dubois. Just more base. So we've got 4 Young Guns. Expect 2 more. Adrian Kempe, John Marino. What is this? Riley Smith. Got a rookie retrospective of Jack Hughes. It's an interesting card. And base. Kadri, Ehlers, Anisimov, Coleman, Mikhail Burdin, Young Guns, Brandon Carlo, Checklist, Pearson, next pack. Marcus Johansson, Dylan Strome, Adam Fox, UD Canvas to Quinn Hughes. That's a good one. And just base. 2 packs left. One of them is, should expect another Young Guns here. We got Tyler Seguin, Braden Point, Jake Gensel, Alex Ovechkin, Matthew Tkachuk, predominance, and base cards. Last one. That Quinn Hughes, Trouba, Felski, Max Patry, Dazzlers. That, what? Am I missing a Young Gun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Can't believe it. I'm missing a Young Gun. Kidding me? That's so disappointing. Ah, well, thanks for watching. Guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.